Hi guys, I'm so excited to reintroduce you to my new and improved mini pie wax melts. The first step was to form these pie slices out of clay because I couldn't find a mold that would be the perfect size, and I'm adding just a little bit of crust with my clay on top of each piece, and with my fork I am making that little fork mark on the crust. Once I have them all formed, I am hot gluing them to the bottom of my container. This will keep them in place and will keep them from floating around while the silicone is curing. So many of you have asked me for mini pie slices that you didn't have to cut, so I thought this would be the perfect solution. Now I'm mixing my silicone with the catalyst until it's one uniform color, and then I'm pouring it all over my pie slices. I'm letting this cure for about 12 hours and then I'm unmolding. It unmolded pretty easily, and the little clay pieces are still very soft, so I'm able to just continue to reuse them. I cleaned out each cavity, and then with my X-Acto knife I trimmed around each cavity as well. This will help my wax melts to unmold easier without breaking. And today I'm going to be making pumpkin pie wax melts scented in a pumpkin pie spice. First I am putting in the crust with my pipette, then I'm going to let this cool and harden. And once that has cooled, I'm pouring in my pumpkin pie spice filling. You will only need to use one of these little pie slices in your wax melter at a time. So this is just a time lapse of them hardening and cooling, and then once they have finished cooling, I'm just popping them out of the mold. And this is what they look like. Little mini pie slices. After I've popped all of these out, I am whipping up some white wax, which is scented in vanilla. And the vanilla is going to be the whipped cream on top of each pie slice. And then I'm sprinkling on a little bit of colorant to make it look like a little cinnamon on each pie slice. And now you can see the difference between my old pie slices and these mini ones. So much tinier. These are packaged in 8 slices in a round pie shape and in these little boxes. They're available on my website now at earthrella.com.